Hey everyone, welcome to the unboxing and overview of SIGNI Anamorphic Lens. This is an anamorphic lens which can be used with your smartphones. Let's open up the box and see what all do you get inside. First up, there's a premium carrying case included in the box which can be used to carry around the lens safely in your backpack. Opening up this case, there are a lot of things inside and let's get to them one by one. First up is the anamorphic lens itself. The lens is made out of high quality materials and works really well with your smartphones. Next up, there's a premium pouch included in the box which can be used to carry around the lens safely with you. The next thing inside this carrying case is the metal clip which will be used to attach the lens to your smartphone camera. We also provide a hook which can be used to clip the case to your backpack or something like that. Last but not the least is the microfiber cleaning cloth which can be used to clean the lens in case it gets dirty. Now apart from that, there's some paperwork inside the box which includes a contact card with all our contact information on it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. The other paperwork includes an instruction manual and some information about our other products. So those were the box contents. Now let's go ahead and see how to actually use this lens with your smartphones. First up, remove the protective covers of the lens. Next up, take the metal clip and attach the lens to it by rotating the lens in clockwise direction. Once that is done, place the lens in front of the camera module of your smartphone. Please make sure to align the lens properly with the camera module for best results. After that is done, rotate the screw on the clip to secure the lens in place. Once these steps are done, you are good to go and you can start shooting some really awesome photos and videos with this lens like these over here. So anyway, this is how the SIGNI anamorphic lens works. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.